welcome to your brand new job at Jhon's workshop with locomotive. Today's topic is the Emerald Night Express PSA. And if you're watching this VHS tape, we're gonna tell you that you're welcome in our workshop. So let's have a chat. And the Emerald Night Express was crashed by a giant unknown explosion made by unknown twins. Now years later, we're remaking the express come to life. And if someone tells you what happened in the explosion incident, we are gonna tell you sorry. We don't have much time. We're busy making another steam train. We're gonna let our mascot, Gary the Gear, to help you learn about the incidents. Gary the Gear?
Hello, Gary the Gear here. In situation, if somebody asks you about the incidents in World War II, here is what you reply.
Jack does not exist. Benjamin does not exist. Nothing has happened to anyone. He does not exist. He does not exist. He does not exist. He does not exist.
Great job. You're fired.